This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer videos to a USB flash drive from your Android phone. So you can see I just have this little adapter connected to the bottom of my phone. Or you can take something like this. This is smaller. This will just bring USB to USB-C, so you can connect it to your phone. And this little adapter is a little bit longer. But just make sure your USB drive is formatted exFAT or FAT32 to be recognized by Android. When you have this plugged in now, all you have to do is swipe up from the bottom, go to Files, and go to My Files. And then we can go to Videos and stuff right here, but we can see my USB drive is connected. And then tap your video, and you can transfer all your videos by hitting All. I'll just do one. Go to Copy or Move. Select your USB storage device, then go to a folder. So I'm just going to copy here, and it should copy over your video to this USB. So if you're going to be transferring this to your computer, this is an easy way to do that if you don't have a cord or something like that. And then you should be good to go now. That video should be on here once this is done, and it shouldn't take very long to do. So mine is just being really slow for some reason. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.